Hello, my name is Robert Lunte. I'm the CEO for a company called CourseCREEK. We specialize in helping our partners, our LMS partners, and our clients choose the right LMS platforms. This composition is called, what are the main features I need to look for in an LMS? Well, these are things you want to look for. Number one, it needs to be SaaS, a web-hosted, cloud-hosted system. Number two, you need SCORM. This is going to open up a lot of opportunities for you in making your content more engaging and giving you a big leg up in B2B deals. 3, you need multi-tenancy. You need to be able to take on more than one B2B client at a time without any confusion. 4, you need mobility. 5, you need great customer service. The LMS company needs to be responsive, be able to help you out. And 6, you need a delivery company, a partner like CourseCREEK that can help you make that decision, make that choice, and deliver everything that you need other than paying a subscription. Thank you.